Hello folks, I have a 2012 Nissan Maxima. It's very rattling, noisy, knocking, whatever you call, you can name it. Kind of noisy, some particular somewhere around here, and I did not take off that cover, but yeah, I just put all that tour and listening and where's the noise come from, but getting loud around right here, it doesn't make much noise. Somewhere here, it doesn't seem like. It seems like somewhere, around this area, right there. That's what the noise came from. And I take it off, and yeah, that's noise come from right there. And it's lessen all these noise. It seems like something like I'm assuming like intake sprocket is making a noise come from. So this is Nissan again. It's like Nissan Maxima 2012 3.5 liter, and it should be a V6 engine. And I look around. It seems like running strong engine, but it's just running noisy. And I take the oil dip, take a look, and it's perfect oil lubricate. It seems like not bad at all. I'm trying to take the oil cap off and take a look. Nothing changed, nothing. It runs still nice and smooth. And again, I'm assuming it's just a intake sprockets make a noise. So right now I'm kind of going down and up there. It doesn't sound like either, but just noise everywhere. In the bottom, it's not. It doesn't sound like come from the bottom either. It's just basically just right somewhere around here. It's like intake sprockets. Yeah, I took it off, and just right there, it's just missed one piece, and I don't know where that piece fell off.
Okay, let's find now and
And I replaced that. I bought that online. It's I think like $480 for that sprocket. I replaced it and run like a top. Running good, strong, calm. After I put the new sprocket on and fire it up, and
let's go closer. Hey, sounds so great. Nice and strong. This is
that
this
is
is I've been replaced
it's just a
intake
I don't know where that
missing
is
missing
gone to.
piece.
I could even find it, that piece. Hook up, clean it. Clean it up. Little one. That has a tough now. Went good.
Perfect.
So that's the noise it came from, this intake sprockets. Thank you so much for watching and give me thumbs up. I will post more video. Thanks again.